Hi everyone, I'm Zoyeb, an interior designer from BVM IntSol. Today I'm here to present our recently completed 2 BHK project for Mr. Promit and Mrs. Neelam, which is situated in Kumar Infinia at Fursungi. Client wanted their home to look luxurious, so we have designed it in a modern theme with a touch of golden elements to it, and I have tried to fulfill their requirement. Let's take a tour of this house. The entrance features a safety door with a laminate finish, highlighted by a profile light above and the sides. The nameplate is acrylic with a pop-up color background on the wall. The door also has a metal jali with a golden finish, adding a decorative touch. In the foyer area, we have combined a corner patta design with a CNC cut acrylic jali. The existing sofa complements the space, while the back wall behind the sofa is decorated with the charcoal sheets on both the sides. The center section finished with the golden acrylic sheets with a brown mirror. The living room features a luxurious design with a TV unit adorned with a golden highlighted laminate behind the TV. The fall ceiling has a corner patta with a combination of panel lights including triple lights and highlighted with the profile lights. The Mandir area includes open storage with a CNC cut design, duco finished on exterior and pocket door with a pull-out seating. The dining area features existing dining table which has been retained as a part of decor. The crockery unit has two colors of combination with the rose gold profile shutters. This luxurious master bedroom features a bed with both the side table and a golden tree patti, a back panel, complemented by a decorative curtains. Openable wardrobe highlighted with a golden tea patti and square handles. Dressing mirror with a golden profile shutters. The full height cabinet storage with a foldable study table highlighted with a golden laminate. The room's ambience is enhanced by fall ceiling with a panel light and profile lighting. The kids' bedroom features a bed with the round arch paneling and LED lighting. openable wardrobe has a two-tone laminate finish and multi-purpose drawers provide versatile storage. Study table with a tall storage and a sliding mirror to enhance space. We planned to install a sliding mirror for dressing, following a Vastu principle to avoid obstructing the bed's view. It can easily slide back after use. The minimum false ceiling with the LED curved lighting completes the room's vibrant and functional design. The existing kitchen remains unchanged except that loft area has been covered. Thank you, sir and ma'am. I'm glad to work with you in this journey. And I would like to thanks to Team BVM and vendors as well for supporting me. To all the viewers who are watching this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.